Rajma Masala is a creamy, tangy and spiced curry made with dried kidney beans. This Rajma Masala is made in a base of onion tomato masala along with other spices and herbs, making it truly delicious. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. To make Rajma Masala, you will need half-cooked rajma or red kidney beans, roughly chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala powder, kasuri methi powder, salt, butter and white oil. Into a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons white oil. Temper the oil with half teaspoon cumin seeds. Give a light stir. When the cumin seeds start spluttering, add 2 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute the onion until they're transparent. I soak the rajma into water for overnight and then boil them, but I don't cook them entirely. I just cook them 7%. Rest of the cooking will be done with the masalas. Now the onions are light in color. I'll add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix them. Adding turmeric powder before adding any dry masalas and tomatoes enhance the color of the dish. Now I'll add 2 small chopped tomatoes. Mix them all together and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add chopped green chilies. Adjust the spiciness of green chilies as per your taste, as I love the spiciness of green chili, so I add lots of it. Now add half teaspoon garam masala powder. Keep mixing it. Add rajma water to the tomatoes and onion mixture. Instead of adding any normal water at this stage, adding of rajma water will increase the taste of this dish. Add rajma water little by little and slowly cook it. When you boil the rajma, don't throw away the water. Use this water while cooking. Add salt. Mix it. I add salt while boiling the rajma, so add less salt into the gravy. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Keep mixing it and cook for 3 minutes. Again add rajma water. You can see the tomatoes and onions are nicely cooked. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix them. Coriander powder goes very well with this recipe, but if you don't like coriander powder, then add less of it. Now add previously boiled rajma. The rajma was 70% done. Mix with the masala. Add remaining rajma water. Give a light stir. Cover the pan and slow cook for 15 to 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, take off the lid. Just look at this gravy. It's creamy and smells so delicious. Add kasuri methi powder around 2 teaspoons. give a nice mix. The aroma is heavenly. Add little bit of butter and handful of chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix. Rajma masala is ready. Serve this delicious Rajma masala with rice and roti with some salad. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe my channel. If you love this video, give a thumbs up and give your valuable feedback. Stay connected with me for more exciting recipes. Thank you. Bye.